guys, a Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for y'all. Listen, it's late. It's 1 o'clock. Like, no sooner than I get home, I gotta go get my big kid from school. But if you're new here, and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, bam, I'm Shay with the pow, pow, ooh, ooh, ooh. Definitely take a second to subscribe. My 10 is popping right now. I don't even be in the sun like that, but what? Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash that button. Support your girl. And of course, don't forget to hype your girl. Look, it's 105 degrees right now in SoCal, and it's 1 o'clock. It's hot. I got the air blowing on me right now. And it feels good. Y'all, the deals ain't dealing. Like the deals, I'm just like, where Arthur? Where Arthur? I said, where Arthur? Where are the deals? I don't know. All right. I'm just like, I'm looking high. I'm like that emoji like this. That's what I am. I'm this emoji. Tell me in the comments. Show me what emoji you are right now with these deals.
This is me. Or is it this one? No, this is. That's the one it is.
But listen, so I think I need, what do I need? I think I need 15 for 5. Look, Ibotta, you've been so nice to me in the past. You have, but the deals are not dealing, you guys. And so I have no plans of hitting that. In fact, I'm going to toss on some deals that I did at Target. Because Walmart is just not Walmarting. The deals are just not dealing. And so I doubt I do. I'll be lucky if I hit 5. I'm being completely 100. I'll be lucky if I get 5. I know some of you guys have been having issues with the sister apps and rejecting receipts, but I haven't had any issues with the sister apps. That issue with the Purox for Be Frugal, they haven't got back to me yet. I don't think that they're gonna give me that. $18, $19 would have been nice, but I don't think that they are. And so yeah, I have no plans of taking it back. I'm not gonna take it back. It's still like a really cheap price for me, so there's no point in me taking it back. If it was a deal that I did only Be Frugal, I would definitely take it. I would definitely take that back. But with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome stuff we can grab today. Why'd I say it like that? Today. If you want to see what your girl got, you're going to do it. If you like fun, keep on watching and hype your girl up.
All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Yasso. Now for this, we don't have the Checkout 51 offer anymore. And the offer for the sister apps is now a limit of 1. I think Swagbucks is like 50 cents, but I think I still have it for Be Frugal. I think it's $2.13 with a limit of 2. So I should get that back times 2. So they are priced at $5.97. If you grab 4 of them, that's going to be $23.88. Now the offer for Fresh Reward, it did double from 4 to 8 when you spend 20, and then we also have $2 back when you buy 2, limit of 2. So we'll get back a total of $12 from Fetch, $1.50 for each on Ibotta, and then hopefully I get back the $4.26 on Be Frugal. We'll make them only $1.62 each, which is definitely not bad. Next up is the Avo Fresco. It's on the little avocado packs. They're priced at $4.98. Now for this, you might have an offer for buy one get one free for aisle. I only have 50% back, and then we also have another buy one get one free offer as well. So 2 of them is going to be $9.96. We'll get back the $4.98, and then $2.49 would make it $1.24 per pack. All right, next up is the Blue Buffalo Our Love Made Fresh. Now this is the only store that carries it. This one here is priced at $3.48. I'm kind of happy that I waited on this because the offer for Fetch went back up, and so we'll grab one at $3.48. We'll get back $1 on Ibotta, plus I'll hit a $2 bonus as well, and then we have $2 offer on Fetch. There's also 50 cents. I'm hoping we'll go through as well, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. All right, I don't see the all that I grabbed. I don't know if that's it right there. Let me see. I don't know if that's the one, but it's priced at $4.47. I did use a $2 hang tag, which brings it down to $2.47. Getting back to one I bought, makes it 47 cents. Right. You're gonna be grabbing the Palmolive soap again. It's priced at $3.98. I'm getting back $1.50 on Ibotta and $1.50 on one of the sister apps. Is going to make that 98 cents. So this next deal is on the Cloud protein chips. So they have 3 different flavors you can grab. We have an OTC. I will have it linked for you either in the Google Doc or up in the comment or it will be in the description. They are priced at $3.64. Now for this, the OTC is going to auto deduct $3.47. So you end up paying 17 cents depending on how much they are in your store. And I will say that this one was a dud. I didn't like that one. These two right here, I like. I might say that the jalapeno is my favorite. And this is per your email address. So I did it like 6 times. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal here is on the Shea Moisture deodorants. This is a pretty awesome deal. Especially if you have, well, obviously if you have the Fetch Reward offers. And so it's priced at $10.47. Now, definitely check your stores. I know this one, the spray was on clearance for $3 not too long ago. I think they just redid the packaging for it. And so now it's $10.47. I know someone posted this morning on IG that they found the sticks on clearance for $5. So definitely check your stores. So we're gonna grab one price at $10.47. I have an offer on Joseph's Fetch account for $8. Mine is only $7, which is still an awesome deal, right? And then we also have $4 back on Ibotta. It's gonna make that $1.53 moneymaker with a limit of 3. So I think I'm gonna do his account for the 8 back and do 2 Walmart accounts and Ibotta, making 3 of them an awesome moneymaker. I might do my account too if it resets on Ibotta, but I'm not sure how long the points for Fetch will be doubled. And so, yeah. All right, so next up is the W deodorant. I didn't think this store carried it. We have a free offer that popped up on Social Nature. Only thing is, for the sticks, I think it's a max amount of I can't remember what the max amount is. There is a cost for it, but we do have $1.50 back on Ibotta. It's crazy because normally the sticks are cheaper and the sprays cost more, but it looks like the sprays are cheaper. And so based on what offers you have, it could be a moneymaker for you or it could be a small cost. And so, yeah. All right, so next up is the Dial Foam hand soap. It is priced at $2.72. Now for this, you could either get the Power Berry scent or you can get the Spring Water scent. So 2 of them is going to be $5.44. We'll get back $2.50 on Upromise and 50 cents on Ibotta. And then $1.50 on Checkout 51, which is just 75 cents for each one, making them only 47 cents each. All right, and last but not least is the Colgate Optic White. Now, I do have one more offer left on the sister apps. I did mention previously that to clip the offers because it'll save it for you. And I think this one says it expired on the 17th, and I still have it available to do. So I'm gonna grab it, price at $7.96. I'll get back $4 on Ibotta and 3 on one of the sister apps, making that only 96 cents. All right, so we're starting off with a freebie on the Fancy Pants chocolate chip cookies. These are on sale for $3.99, and for this we have an offer for aisle, making this absolutely free. Super excited about this deal. It's on the Lesser Evil popcorn. This is probably one of my favorite popcorns. And so I'm definitely excited to do this. It's priced at $7.49. We have an offer on Merryfield for $4. I believe the limit on that is a limit of 3. We also have $1.50 back on Fetch. And then we have an aisle offer for $1.50 as well, bringing that down to only 49 cents. All right, so I need this beef jerky in my life like I need another hole in my head. Look, I did it again, all right? It's on the Righteous Felons Little Rebels. It's on the Street Taco one. They're on sale for $14.99. And for this, I have a buy one, get one free offer on aisle. And we also have the offer still on Fetch Reward. So 2 is going to be $29.98 out of pocket, getting back $14.99 on aisle. And 12 on Fetch is going to bring them down to $1.49 each. I love pizza, you guys. This deal popped up on Susie we're just going to say Susie. Last week, and I was going to do it, but it went so fast. And then it popped up again a couple days ago, so I said, hey, why not? It popped up yesterday. And so it's on the Pizza Antigua. It's priced at $13.49. You're getting back $9
it's going to bring that down to $4.49, which I don't think is a bad price. I hope that it's good. So the sooner they process my receipt, the sooner that I can eat it, because I'm not trying to eat it until they process my receipt. And so definitely it's not a bad deal. Last but not least, I grabbed the soft soap deal. These smell so good. They're priced at $2.99, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them and paid $5.98 out of pocket, getting back $1.50 for each one I bought. The limit is 3, but I just grabbed 2. And then $2 for buying 2 on checkout 51 makes them only 49 cents. All right, y'all, so here is our complete haul for today. Everything here worked out good. I didn't really have any issues. I didn't mention the Rockstar. I saw that posted on IG this morning. That deal with 7,000 points, limit of 3, and they're 2 for $5, and then it's 1 for $3.49. So you could just grab 3 of them. You'd pay $8.49. You'd get back 21. It'd be like a $12.21 moneymaker, I want to say. I went ahead and just grabbed 4, making them an $11 moneymaker. Now, I always get a little nervous when I submit receipts for gas stations for Fetch. And so this gas station says ARCO and AM PM. I did have to put a ticket in to correct my receipt, and they just processed it and gave me credit. So I did get back the 21, give or take, from Fetch, which was good. And I was a little nervous because I'm honestly less likely to take those back because it's a gas station. If it was a Walmart, Target, I could do that, but I'm not trying to take them back to a gas station. With the beef sticks, that deal, you're supposed to get the tacos, but look, I don't really like the tacos, and as long as I'm not walking out stealing, I think I should be okay. I did scan the taco twice. I did the Shea Moisture on 2 Walmart accounts plus Ibotta. And I'm still waiting for all of my aisles to go through. The receipt for the Yasso on Be Frugal is still processing. I did cash out for $50, so I'm going to add $5 from Be Frugal for that. And I'm really trying to hit another 50 so I can cash out again. I think right now, after that, I should be at like 20, I think 25 maybe. And so only halfway there. I might just bite the bullet and cash out sooner though, to be honest. So everything you see here retails $159.32. I had $8.94 in coupons. That was between the OTCs on the cloud popcorn on the cloud for tortilla chips, and the all coupon. All right, so I ended up paying $150.38 out of pocket. Getting back 73 from Fetch Reward. Ibotta is 22. IO is 20.48. Sozi is 9. PayPal is 8.72, and I am still able to cash out PayPal, which is good. I'm happy they didn't change it. Walmart Rewards is $8, and for some reason the app isn't letting me. Like when I click on the activity page, it doesn't load. So I don't know what's up with that. I noticed that in my last video too. Upromise is $7. Merryfield is $4.37. Be Frugal, it's $9.26. Checkout 51 is $3.50, and my points is $3. So we're walking away with a total of $168.33. It's gonna make everything you see here free, plus a $17.95 moneymaker, which is pretty cool. Now, what's got me more excited than eating this pizza is eating these cookies. I'm gonna wash it down with an energy drink, and for dessert I'm gonna have me some Yasso. Look, that's dinner, snack, dessert. And I'm excited about the popcorn too. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. If you made it to the end, I want to see either a pizza emoji or a popcorn emoji in the comments. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.